Storms can wreak havoc on your roof, leaving you vulnerable to leaks and water damage. Don't let a damaged roof ruin your peace of mind. Call Denny's Roofing, LLC for a roof replacement in Dacono, Colorado. Our team of skilled and experienced roofers can replace your damaged or worn-out roof quickly and efficiently, giving you the protection your property needs. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we believe in providing excellent service with a smile. We'll work with you every step of the way to ensure that your new roof meets your expectations. Our team uses only the best materials and equipment to ensure that your new roof is strong, durable, and looks great. With Denny's Roofing, LLC, you can trust that your new roof will stand the test of time. Don't wait until it's too late. Contact Denny's Roofing, LLC today for a free estimate and let us help you protect your home from the elements. For a roof replacement in Dacono, Colorado you can trust, call Denny's Roofing, LLC at 970-275-4012. Or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/Dacono-roofing-company to schedule your free estimate today. Trust us to keep your family safe and your home beautiful.